Hello, my name is Elizabeth Patton, and this is my program proposal on equine-assisted psychotherapy, or EAP. The agency that I represent and that will sponsor EAP is Liz's Equine-Assisted Psychotherapy and Therapeutic Riding Ranch, otherwise shortened to Liz's Ranch. The target population will be young adults ages 18 to 35 years old. The facility is in the rolling country hills of Tehachapi, California, which is 2 hours north of Los Angeles. The purpose of the EAP program at Liz's Ranch is to improve the overall well-being of individuals who have undergone trauma so that they may improve as a whole. Trauma can happen in many forms, either physical, mental, emotional, financial, and/or sexual. It can happen to you, or you can be a secondary victim by either witnessing it or experiencing a loss of someone close to you. It is within Erickson's sixth stage, intimacy versus isolation, the majority of the population served by this program will fall into. It is here that individuals make important steps as they show they are willing to unite with others, create a firm foundation into their identity, and are vulnerable to others. It is also here that individuals will process past trauma, learn coping skills and stress management skills, empower themselves, build positive relationships and boundaries, and most importantly, have fun. Here are two of our past participants. Don't they look like they're having a good time? Both women are relaxed and at ease with their therapy horses. Some information about the program is that Liz's Ranch is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. It is Equine Assisted Growth and Learning Association, EGALA, qualified. This certifying body is one of the highest ethical standards and one of two organizations accredited with providing mental health through the facilitation of horses. Staff is trained in EGALA standards and/or certified mental health professionals per the regulations of EGALA. It is also the minimum requirement that staff have at least 3 years of horse experience, but some individuals have up to 20 years experience. It is also mandated that 40 hours of continuing education units is completed every 2 years by EGALA. The EAP program at Liz's Ranch will be up and running spring of 2017. The Board of Directors is currently holding our annual capital campaign, which helps reduce the cost associated with the program. For example, buying new horses, feed, equipment, and barn costs. If you enroll in the Equine-Assisted Psychotherapy program, the lessons will consist of 12 one-hour sessions. 30 minutes will be individual skill training, and the final 30 minutes will be interactive team building. One important article was in Minerman's 2008 article where 5 women ages 18 or older who experienced abuse at some point in their life and also participated in equine facilitated psychotherapy, EFP, were interviewed. 4 main patterns came out of this interview. I can have power, doing it hands-on, horses as co-therapist, and turned my life around. In regards to cost, EFP is similar to talk therapy. However, the women involved in this study reported that this therapy was more effective and less time-intensive, and they had fewer relapses occurring. Due to prior research and experience with EAP, the projected outcome are that patients will experience reduction of mental health symptoms, increased confidence, and increased sociability. A pre- and post questionnaire will be used to evaluate the outcome prior to EAP and after 12 weeks of EAP. Some trends that we are seeing is an increase of combat veterans availing themselves to this therapy and young adults from abusive families. Here is one of our veterans completing a groundwork exercise which facilitates creating boundaries. Thank you for your time.